Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello guys, today we are going to do a topic, factors influencing brand equity. In my last video I covered the meaning of brand equity. What is brand equity? A quick revision for my new viewers. Brand equity is some intangible asset, that is the brand value. What is the brand value? It is the perception in the minds of the consumers. If the consumers feel that the brand is doing excellent in the market, if they are giving good reviews about the brand, which means a brand has higher brand equity. But if the customers perceive that the brand is not doing so good, or rather sometimes it so happens that the consumers are not even aware about the existing brand, then the brand equity is very low. So basically brand equity is the value which the brand holds in the market. Exactly, to be precise, it is the value of the brand in the market. It is an asset if the brand equity is high. It is a liability if the brand perception is low. So every marketer wishes that he has a good brand equity in the market. Now to enhance his brand equity, a marketer may use lot of factors. Let me start with the first factor is awareness. What is brand awareness? More and more people, if they know about your brand, it is called as brand awareness. If you ask, suppose if I tell you, name 5 toothpaste in Mumbai, you may tell me Colgate, Pepsodent, Miswak, then you will have to think maybe. So I feel when I explain these examples, all these 3 brands have a very good equity because these were the first names which came to your mind, which means that if you are aware of that brand and if you associate with it, then a brand has a higher equity. Second point is brand association. To start with, I'll give you a very good example. Kids never say कि हमको chocolate खाना है. Many times they tell एक Cadbury देना, means for them chocolate means Cadbury. People don't say namak dena. People say Tata namak dena. Namak means Tata namak. So the product and the brand are so closely associated that people are not demanding the product, rather they are demanding the brand. This is called as brand association. When you have good associations in your minds related to a certain brand, suppose I name a bike, Pulsar, and you have many images in your mind. If you have a good association with that brand, means a brand is enjoying a high equity in the market. Next is brand ambassador. What is a brand ambassador? Many marketers are using film stars, doctors, mothers in the advertisement. This is to enhance the value of brand through the goodwill of those actor and actresses. Let us take an example of Lux. Lux is using all the actresses in their advertisement. Now, I also remember one Lux ad. Actually, Lux was positioned as a beauty bar for females and it used majorly all the film actresses, mainly females. So people thought it's a female beauty bar. Now Lux also wanted it to position itself that it is not only for females but it's also for males. So one of the ad I saw for Lux, which was very excellent, very beautifully drafted, wherein Shah Rukh Khan says that Lux is really a good beauty bar which you can use. So this type of brand ambassadors. Next is brand logo. What is a logo? Logo is anything, any picture or combination of any alphabets, combination of any pictures and alphabets together, which makes an identity for the brand. Now suppose if I take the name of McDonald's, you will immediately remember McDonald's in your mind. It's M, right? Red and yellow color. So that is the logo of the McDonald's. Now why they have used these specific colors? Because yellow represents happiness and red represents hunger. So when you see McDonald's, when I say McDonald's, a particular logo comes to your mind. When I say Airtel, a particular logo of Airtel comes to your mind. One more thing which marketers use for the promotion of their product, one more thing I can tell you is some cartoon characters. When I talk about association and when I talk about logos and all, I remember a very good example of Vodafone, wherein they use those small zuzus and made small clips. So everybody of us is aware about that. It also helps the brand to create an identity in the market. Now the next point is brand loyalty. How loyal you are to your brand. See, I may prefer only one particular brand of toothpaste or say one particular brand of watch. So I am very brand loyal. But nowadays customers are switching from one brand to another due to heavy competition in the market. So this is also an area of concern for marketers. So brand equity, if the person is very brand loyal, the equity is high. Consumers' perception. I told you what is brand equity. It is all about how the consumer think about your product, how the consumer perceive your product is. If their perception is good, if they pursue high about your product, if they pursue wow, the brand is really good in quality, and you're also giving, sometimes they pursue like for Big Bazaar, this brand is pursue इससे सस्ता और अच्छा कहीं नहीं. They pursue that Big Bazaar has value for money. When such perception is there in minds of consumer, brand equity is high. But for certain brands, consumer may not pursue it as good as it is. So therein the brand equity is low. I think you understood the factors affecting brand equity. If you like our videos, stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.